Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best bone broth for dogs that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Native Pet Bone Broth for Dogs. Native Pet Bone Broth for Dogs brings a groundbreaking approach to nourishing your furry companion with the highest quality nutrition. Crafted by veterinary nutritionists, this beef bone broth powder stands out as our top pick due to its versatility and health benefits. It's specifically designed to be both safe and appetizing for dogs, making it an ideal food topper for those picky eaters who turn their noses up at dry or bland foods. The easy-to-mix formula ensures that pets get the essential nutrients they need without any hassle. Dog owners have long praised this product for its ability to support digestion and joint health, thanks to its natural ingredients. Incorporating Native Pet's bone broth into your dog's diet can enhance hydration and provide a rich source of collagen, which is vital for maintaining healthy joints and a vibrant coat. What makes this product stand out further is its appeal not only as a nutritious addition, but also as a tasty treat that dogs look forward to. Moving on. At number 4, we have the Brutus Beef Bone Broth for Dogs. Brutus Beef Bone Broth for Dogs stands out as a top choice for pet owners wanting to enhance their furry friend's diet with something nutritious and delicious. With its rich blend of all-natural ingredients, including chondroitin, glucosamine, and turmeric, it's particularly beneficial for supporting joint health. This makes it an excellent option not just for active puppies, but also for older dogs who might be experiencing stiffness or mobility issues. The low sodium content ensures that your dog gets the flavor and hydration without unnecessary salt, making mealtimes both enjoyable and healthy. What sets Brutus Beef Bone Broth apart is its commitment to environmental sustainability and animal welfare. The eco-friendly packaging reflects a responsible choice for the planet, while a portion of proceeds goes towards helping animals in need. For dog owners who prioritize socially conscious products, this bone broth checks all the boxes. Its ease of use as a tasty topper over dry food appeals even to picky eaters, ensuring they receive vital proteins and vitamins effortlessly. At number 3, we have the Nature's Diet Pet Bone Broth Protein Powder. Nature's Diet Pet Bone Broth Protein Powder stands out in the crowded market of canine supplements with its premium blend of human-grade ingredients, including pumpkin, fish oil, and turmeric. This beef-flavored powder packs a powerful nutritional punch designed to support your furry friend's overall health, boasting over 50% protein content per serving. By incorporating this high-quality, grain-free bone broth into your dog's diet, you can enhance their meal times not just with flavor, but with a wealth of benefits that cater to digestion, skin and coat health, as well as joint and bone support. Dog owners will appreciate the versatility and ease of use offered by Nature's Diet Bone Broth. It can be served as a rich gravy when mixed with water, or sprinkled over food as a tasty dry meal topper. Each batch is crafted in small quantities to ensure freshness and efficacy, providing an all-natural choice for pets without any additives or preservatives. At number 2, we have the Wild Acre Premium Beef Bone Broth for Dogs. Dog owners looking for a nutritious way to boost their pet's diet will find an excellent ally in Wild Acre Premium Beef Bone Broth for Dogs. With its high protein content and rich blend of collagen, this broth is more than just a treat. It's designed to support strong bones, enhance joint flexibility, and improve digestive health, all crucial aspects as our furry friends grow from playful puppies into dignified seniors. The addition of immune-boosting mushrooms like reishi, turkey tail, maitake, and shiitake also gives an extra layer of protection to keep dogs healthy year-round. What sets Wild Acre's bone broth apart is its commitment to using human-grade ingredients without any corn, soy, grains, gluten, or artificial additives. This means dog owners can feel good about what they're adding to their pet's bowl. Easy to mix with both wet food and water for added hydration, it's especially beneficial for dogs with sensitive stomachs or those needing a little encouragement to eat during recovery periods from illness. And finally, at number 1, we have the Merrick grain-free bone broth. Merrick grain-free bone broth stands out as a top-notch choice for dog owners seeking to enhance their pet's diet with a nutritious and delicious addition. Crafted in the USA with high standards, this premium human-grade beef bone broth is not only grain and gluten-free, but also devoid of artificial colors, flavors, and fillers. What sets it apart is its inclusion of unique spices like parsley and cinnamon, along with superfoods such as butternut squash and blueberries. Dog owners will appreciate how this bone broth serves multiple purposes. It can easily moisten dry food to make meals more appealing for picky eaters, or serve as a hydrating treat on warm days. The presence of natural ingredients accented with healthful spices ensures that pets are receiving a wholesome supplement to their regular diet. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.